Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to give you guys an update on the Arts Printable Etsy course that I just launched about 2 weeks ago. If you are interested in starting your own arts printable shop and start making passive income with little upfront costs, no shipping fees, and low overhead expenses, this is the course for you. So I will leave the link right below this video so you guys could go to this landing page and learn more about the course. Now keep in mind that the course right now did go up a little bit. It's going to be set at this price for a little bit longer until I add additional lessons, and the course will go up. Now, the way that I'm setting up this course is that not only are you getting a course on how to create an arts printable Etsy shop, step by step how to do so, I'm also going to be adding additional lessons, or you could say additional courses, but I'm going to be calling them additional lessons to the course. And I'm going to be adding additional lessons that include how to use Facebook for your Etsy business, how to use Instagram for your Etsy business, how to use Facebook ads and Instagram ads for your Etsy business, do-it-yourself digital products that you could sell on Etsy. And I'm going to show you these digital products, how to create them step by step. So this course is for anyone out there that wants to build an impactful Etsy business that will earn steady passive income selling art printables and also digital products. So keep that in mind. This course is going to cover everything and anything that you need to know about not just art printables, but digital products that you could sell on Etsy and start earning passive income, and how to market your products on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. So it's going to be your one-stop course with all of this massive information. So if you join now, you're going to get it at a low price versus later on. Once I start adding more lessons and more lessons, the prices are going to be going up and up and up. So you want to join now before the prices get higher. Now keep in mind that once you join at this price, you will have lifetime of free access to every single lesson that is added to the course. So you could go back and review old lessons. You could take it at your own pace, and you could also learn the new lessons that will be added throughout the year at no additional charge. Okay, so you will have that one-time fee, and that's all you'll have to do. There's no other courses out there that include additional lessons for one set price. Keep that in mind. I have not seen anyone else that does this. So I'm going to make this the biggest course as possible. Right now we have 44 videos plus 6 additional bonus videos or bonus lessons that I've just added. So technically there's 50 videos right now. You will have access to my members only Facebook group. So you're going to be able to reach out to me directly if you have any questions or if you need any help with it. You will also have additional free resources that I will be giving you guys for free as well. So you're going to get so much in this course, and you're going to learn so much on how to start. If you want to see a little glimpse of what's included, you could look at this page and it will give you every single video that I currently have in the actual course. As you guys could see, is a lot of them. And this is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I wanted to just make a quick announcement about it. Guys, if you have any questions, I will also leave my email below with the link to the course. So if you have any questions, just email me. Anything. I could work with you guys. And if you have any questions about something particular about the course, I'll be more than happy to answer those questions in case I didn't cover it today. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you everyone for watching.